Hello and welcome back to yet another hair video, because that is really the only thing that I post on my channel, if I even post anymore. So my plan for this was to get all of the colors out of my hair by doing a light bleach wash. So I started by separating the different sections because I still wanted to keep color underneath of it. Since I was only going to bleach the roots on my front piece, I decided to do that first, just so they had more time to process, while the bleach wash would sit on the rest of my hair. And since I was putting the bleach wash on already pre-lightened hair, I didn't want it sitting too terribly long. Can we just take a moment to acknowledge how freaking bad bleach smells? Even when I have the window open. Ugh. It knocks the wind out of me every time.
Why are you blue? No. Oh my god, I don't know what to do now. Why are you blue? You know what? No, it's fine. I can just like...
At this moment, you can see that I was thoroughly stunned and rather disappointed by what I had discovered. And that would be the fact that within seconds of putting the bleach wash on the purple parts of my hair was actually turning teal, which is not what I wanted. I just wanted it to lift the purple out. The purple was fading so beautifully, so nicely, and I was just being a little impatient, which is why I went to do the bleach wash, and then it just starts going teal. So this was already kind of past the point of no return, so I decided to just keep going, and I'll have to figure out a different course of action. So at this point, I still really had no idea what I was going to do. I just continued doing the bleach wash, following the same plan I had started out with, and I would just have to assess how my hair looked after I rinsed all of the bleach wash out. So to begin assessing and getting a better idea of how my hair truly looks, I sprayed it with a heat protectant spray and then proceeded to dry my hair. So after seeing what it looks like dry, I realized that being blonde is just not in the cards for me today. So I just rolled with the color that was now in my hair, the color that I didn't want. The colors I'm using and what I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. I still wanted a majority of my hair to be blonde, or at least kind of have the appearance of being blonde. So I chose to just keep the color focused mainly at the roots, and this is just to even it out, since you could see from a clip a little bit ago that the hair was looking a little bit patchy. So the color that I mixed up, it was a mix of two from Arctic Fox. It was the pastel mint green, I don't remember what it's called, and the other one would be aquamarine, which is blue. I primarily used the green with this, and then I also diluted it pretty heavily with the Arctic Fox diluter. I just wanted enough color to kind of even out how the roots were currently looking. Now, if we simply ignore the fact that I struggled with positioning the camera for a good 5 minutes and it is still slowly moving, it's the next day and I ended up having to go over my hair again. I needed to do the bottom in the first place, and the top just wasn't giving. You can still see some yellowy tones in there. The green just wasn't what I had hoped it would be. So I'm bleach washing the ends of the underneath of my hair because I have a new plan and I need the ends to be a little bit lighter. I'm sectioning my hair again, rinsing out the bleach wash, drying my hair, and then I'm going to proceed with this new color idea that I have in mind. I'm using the same two colors as I just did previously. However, I'm using a bit more blue and less of the diluter, just because I need the color to stand out more, and the blue will be better for masking the yellow tones than only the green was. Usually I like my front piece to be noticeably different from the rest of my hair, but with the new plan that I had in mind for this and the look that I was trying to go for, I figured it would be better if I kind of kept it a very similar color to what was going to be going on my roots. Now for the under section of my hair, I'm putting a slightly diluted Arctic Fox Aquamarine in more of like the midsection of my hair, since I didn't bleach my roots. So it's actually about in the midsection. And then on the very ends, I am putting the Manic Panic Electric Lizard, I'm pretty sure it's called, but it's like a neon green, so that's going on the ends of my hair, and provided it comes out correctly, it's hopefully going to be bright and neon green. Here is my hair with all of the color in it, and this is the final feel. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think for the shock that I got and having to wing it and then derail from what I wanted, it actually came out really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you would like to see more insane hair videos that I have coming. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.